Hello everyone, welcome once again to Rose Chommy's channel. In today's recipe we are making roasted yam. So if you want to see how I prepare this roasted yam, please make sure you watch till the end. So now let's get started. And here I have the list of my ingredients. The first one is the yam. I have 2 long bell pepper, 2 onion, 1 habanero pepper, garlic and ginger. Over here I have salt and vegetable seasoning, and I will be using red palm oil for this. So to start, I washed and dried the yam, so I transferred it into a baking tray. I will now transfer it to my preheated oven. I preheated it at 180 degrees. So that is done. Now I will go ahead and blend the pepper, the onion, ginger, garlic. I will blend everything together, and I'll be blending this roughly. So after blending, this is what it looks like. I will keep it aside for later use. Okay, to fry the sauce in a clean pot, I'll add the palm oil, and when it heats, I'll add in the onion. For this sauce, I like it with a lot of onion. I don't know about you. I will stir it. And at this time, I will add in some curry powder, salt to taste. I will mix everything together. And after a few seconds, I will now add in our pepper blend. I will stir everything together to combine. And I will fry for 15 minutes until they are well fried. So after 15 minutes, this is what our sauce looks like. Wow. And the aroma in my kitchen is really amazing. So I will add in the seasoning cube at this time, and the remaining onion, because I want, when I'm eating this sauce and with the yam, I want the crunchiness of the onion. I want to be getting the sound, so that's why I'm adding this onion at this time. So I will stir everything together. Our sauce is almost done, it's almost ready. Okay, so in less than 1 minute, our sauce is ready. Do you see how it looks like? And my kitchen smells so amazing. And this sauce tasted so delicious. It was so yummy. So back to the yam. It has been in the oven for 1 hour 40 minutes. So it's fully roasted. Now I'm trying to peel off the skin. And you have to be very careful at this time because the yam is very hot. So I'm just trying what I can. So roasting this yam brought a lot of memories to me. It brought a lot of memories to me, and it reminded me back then in Nigeria. Wow. And it has been long I tasted roasted yam. So after peeling off the skin, it's ready to be served. So now let's see how the yam is inside. Wow, it's very soft, well cooked. Wow, do you see how soft it is? Very soft. So that is it for today. If you have enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed, and let me know in the comment section if you enjoyed today's video. So we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.